this is a continuation of my budget PC build. I did say in my actual build I would try and get a white PSU, and I finally got one. Now this is a semi-modular one, it's not a full modular one. It says VP RGB modular, so it's a semi. So basically it's got some cables connected to it, and it's got some more cables that you can attach to it if you need them. Hopefully we only need the essentials. So this cost, at the time of making this video, around about £60 or just over £60. So it's not very expensive. And it's 700 watt. I don't know the company or the brand, GameMax, but hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. So it's 80 plus bronze, ultra quiet, 12 volt, 99% output, and it's got an eco button on it. And it's RGB. Not that you're going to see it, well I don't think you'll be able to see it anyway. It says RGB ready, be cool, be gamer. That's what it says. Yeah, RGB. It's only on the fan, isn't it? You might not see it. So, oh, it's come with a little handle. I didn't even notice that bit. It turned up today actually. I ordered it yesterday and it's sold by AWD minus IT, which is on Amazon apparently, which I didn't know neither because I bought my motherboard and processor from the same company, but I bought it from their website. If I'd known they do it straight from Amazon, I would have got on Amazon because it would have been direct. So some white cabling, and that looks really nice actually. Let's get it out. Oh, it's well padded. A nice one. Some cable ties and some screws for connecting the power supply to the actual case. Instructions. Or user manual. We won't need that, I don't think. But you never know. Right, how do I get this one out? Ah, there you go, bit of tape there. White? Is it white? That looks quite nice. So I believe, yeah, eco button. So that's an eco button. On, off, power. Oh, does it come with a power lead? Well, I didn't see a power lead. Well, that is unusual. Unless it's in there somewhere. Right, extra connections. Let me just quickly show you. So on here, let's go through this first. We have the essential. So your motherboard power, which you know is standard. You do need a motherboard power. You have, what's this? SATA connection for power. Is that for the processor? Looks like that's for the processor, and that is it. And the rest is your modular connections. So, say for instance, you want to connect that, which is your Molex connection. So Molex, SATA, graphics card. That's got to be graphics card here. Yeah, PCIe. So you get two of them. That will go into there somewhere. We will need that one. Or maybe we do need that one. And we definitely need that one. Definitely need that one. And we definitely need one of them for your hard drives. So I definitely need them three. Also need that, but do I need them? Molex, no, and no, and that is it. So I will need just them. So first impressions, yeah, it looks quite nice. It smells nice as well. It smells new, you know. But I was surprised it doesn't come with a plug. I didn't read about a plug. I will have to check, and I will do that in a second. Couple of cable ties just to make it tidy. I would have preferred white ones actually. It's a white build, yeah? White. You don't want to put black cable ties around white, do you? And, you know, again, the screws. I would have preferred white screws if you're doing a white build. It seems a bit daft to me. You know, you're buying a white power supply, you think you would have got white screws, and unless they're thinking, well, everyone's going for black and white, I'm going to, I'll use the screws because I don't think you're going to notice it anyway. But I will swap the cable ties out to white ones because I've got some. Yeah, I need to check to see if it does come with a power supply. or plug, because I didn't bother checking all the features. Does it tell you on here? Right, so looking at that, doesn't say anything about a plug. It's a first for me. I mean, I'm all right, I've got loads of plugs, or what we call kettle plugs. So with that, let's do an install, shall we? I like that though, quite like that. So it's a bit of a black and white, isn't it? Black and white theme going on there. I like that grill. That's very nice, very clever. Yeah, first impressions, yeah, I like it. Just surprised it didn't come with a plug. They always come with a plug. Am I going on a bit? So with that, let's do the installation and see what she looks like, shall we? And hopefully she works. Well, what do you think? I like it. Let me know in the comments whether you like it or not, or whether you think I should change some of the stuff. Now, there are some black cables in there, so, you know, I've done the best I could do. But ideally, Sahara Gaming should have used white cables, but then it might have put the price up a little bit more. I'm not sure. So it's purely down to getting it down to as cheap as possible, but still maintaining a good quality PC. And hopefully I've achieved that. Now, for those who need to know how much it cost in total, it was £808.62 in total at the time of making this video. All the parts that I bought, including the Sahara Gaming case. Alright, I didn't buy the actual case itself, but if you had to buy it, that's how much it would have cost you in total. Now, if you want just to buy one of the parts, I will stick links in the video description below. They will be affiliated on most of them, not on all of them, like Sahara Gaming. I'm not affiliated to them. But if you do decide you want to buy any of them parts, think about using my links. They are affiliated. They do give me a tiny bit of a kickback, but no extra cost to you. And it helps the channel keep on growing. The other thing I want to point out is the power supply. I did contact the actual company and they tell me it doesn't come with a kettle lead. And I did find that a little bit odd, because every time I bought a power supply, it always comes with a kettle lead. But they said it doesn't, but they would send me one as a good gesture. And I said, no, I'm fine, I've got plenty. I just thought, you know, I needed to ask the question, does it come with a kettle lead? Or is it supposed to come with a kettle lead? And it doesn't. So something to bear in mind if you buy that power supply. It seemed to be working fine. I will be doing some sort of bench testing once I've installed Windows and I've been setting up the BIOS. I won't be doing no overclocking, I don't think so. Again, let me know in the comments whether you want to see a bit of overclocking, see how well she performs. I will be doing some bench testing, but the first lot of bench testing will be without me overclocking it. And XMP, I'm not sure about XMP. I'll have a look in the XMP bit, see if it needs turning on or not. Some motherboards won't let you do it and some will. I haven't looked in the BIOS yet. Let me know in the comments whether you think I should have changed anything or you like it or not. And if you did like this video, consider subscribing, clicking on the bell to get notified, and giving me the thumbs up for this video or any of the other videos. Thank you very much for watching.